What's up guys, Leon here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is once again about a little Tesla Coil gadget. I really like science toys. For comparatively little money you often get a very cool Tesla coil which works right away. The company Engine DIY asked me to test their new Pancake Coil. So guys, be curious, was this little coil you're not ready? Pancake coils are really quite fascinating. Normally, we always use secondary coils which are wound on a tube to build our Tesla coils. But this can also be done differently. I have tried to make a pancake coil by myself, but without success so far. A few weeks ago, the company Engine DIY asked me if I would like to test their new flat Tesla coil model. Only $60? If it works like in the pictures, it is a really good deal. Since I have already seen some comparable coils on YouTube, I was very curious whether the coil really works as well as on the pictures. After about 2 weeks, the package was delivered to my doorstep here in Germany. In addition to the pancake coil, a power supply was also included in the package. Take a look at this cool tiny box. I really like it. This little box is so heavy. Let's see what's inside. First of all, we have a kind of PCB stick here. I think that's for touching the lightning. The instructions are even in English as well. Then we have a tube with some neon lamps and a breakout point inside. The breakout point will probably be screwed onto the coil later. And last but not least, the pancake coil. Wow, this one is really cool. The case is completely made out of metal, except for the red frame. That's why the box was so heavy. The coil gives a really qualitative impression. Although the color is not quite my taste, that's not a problem. The case has a size of 9.6 by 9.6 by 3.3 centimeters and weighs about 650 grams. Therefore, the whole coil is really compact. On the front panel are 3 knobs. With the left one, we can switch between normal mode and music mode. The other 2 knobs are for setting the pulse width as well as the pulse frequency. Take a look at the fine traces on the flat coil. Amazing. Now we just have to screw the breakout point onto the PCB. The included power supply has the power of approximately 100 watts, 49 volts and 2 amps. I wonder if this is the maximum voltage the coil can be operated with. Now let's test the coil. For this we only have to connect the power supply. But first I turn all the knobs in the normal mode to the left, so we don't start directly with full power. Wow guys, this is really impressive. According to my oscilloscope, the coil oscillates on a frequency of 3.24 MHz. Now let me show you what happens when we change the pulse width. The duration of the discharges gets longer, which means that the discharges also get longer. On the other hand, if we change the pulse frequency, the number of lightnings per second changes. I now have to wear hearing protection because the lightning is extremely loud. The coil emits a strong electromagnetic as well as an electric field. Neon lamps also glow at a greater distance. Fluorescent lamps too, of course. By the way guys, you can touch the lightning. Because of the high frequency, the current flows only on the surface of the skin and not through your body. This is called the skin effect. However, you can still get burned. Now I want to test the music mode. To do this, I simply toggle the left knob. In the Bluetooth settings of my phone, the coil is now visible. The pairing succeeds without problems. Let's see how the coil sounds. You can recognize the song perhaps, but the quality is not very good, as expected. After all, the coil is not a plasma speaker. Now we come to the final test. I'm not sure if this is such a good idea, but I just can't leave it alone. I will now connect the coil to my power supply and turn up the voltage from 0 to 60 volts. I really hope that nothing breaks. The coil starts oscillating at 11 volts. Now we are at 49 volts. Let's see if the discharges get any longer when we turn up to 60 volts. That is very impressive. Now I will show you a few more nice moments. You can see very nicely how the discharges make a slight curve. This is due to the high frequency. Salt on the breakout point is also very nice too. So guys, I hope you loved the little coil. It makes a perfect Christmas gift, doesn't it? If you buy the coil via the link in the video description, you get an amazing tiny pancake coil and I get small promotion. This will allow me to do more cool projects in future, so guys, be curious. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed it today. Feel free to leave me a comment down below, and then guys, we'll see us in the next video.